this line, how to do this line, how to do this line, how to do this, how to do this, how to do this, this one, 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 this one. And I told you can do how many combination now? 32 programs. If you have done only so much, you have done 32 programs. And I told you this is nothing but 32 factorial program. If you have tried this, that was far more than enough. But for you, the shape is not a problem. Shape is not a problem. For you, what is the problem now? Content. Inside that content, right? You will 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, that is everything. Ulta, this one, that one, everything. You go with like psych. Right, this? Like this. Now we'll understand. I'll give a few hints now. Understand that hint, it will help you for all the program. It'll be like 80 to 90 programming logic which I have given the list, we can solve it like this. Shall we start? Shall we start? You know algebra? You know LHS equals to RHS? The same concept we'll be doing. That's all it is. Nothing else. 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard mathematics. That's all it is. Shall we start? Shall we? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, got it. First thing is, okay. Now, first thing, starting thing is, I want to start with what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If the numbers are like this, who will remember? The series is like this. Who will remember? The series is like 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Who will remember it? I'll close my eyes. If the numbers are varying like this, in the vertical format, there is one variable called as what? I. Now I am not telling only I. It might be I, J, K, whatever the variable you have taken. Yes, sir. We have done that matrix, beautiful matrix in the pattern video you have seen. Yes, sir. Then we have taken I, we have taken what? J. If the numbers are varying like this, if the numbers are varying like this, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. J. What do you do it now? J. You will use it what? J. That's all it is. Close your eyes and use it. Whenever the data is changing in the vertical side, you think about the variable, whatever the variable you have used here. What are the variable used here? I. You think about I. After that, you think about others. If the data are varying like this, what do you think about it? What are the variable you have used here? What is the variable you used here? J. You think about J. That's how it is. Now, one simple concept I will tell you. If there is a B, C, D here now, A, B, C, D, E, what do you do now? You think about whom first now? Think about whom first? What is that? Here, bro. Who do you think? You should think what? I. That's all it is. Because it is varying. It is not constant. Right? It is varying. And later on, you know that ASCII value, you have seen the ASCII value videos also. Yes, sir? Yes. In that, you have seen that uppercase A is nothing but what? 65. 65 plus 0, 65. 65 plus 1, 65 plus 2, 65 plus 3, 65 plus 4, 65 plus 4. That's all it is. Now you want to convert to character, you will do it what? CH. That's all. Nothing else. Now one more series I will tell you. One more small series. This is the series I will tell you. That's all it is. Okay? The series is something like this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What will you do it now? Who will think it first? What will you think first? The data are varying like this. You close your eyes and you think about who? I. You know RHS is equal to LHS? You know RHS is equal to LHS? What is RHS equal to LHS? If you think RHS is equal to LHS, it's so complicated for you. LHS heart attack will come. Yes, sir? Now I'll tell you simple concept of RHS and LHS. You know Takadi? Tarazu? Yes, you know Takadi, that waving machine? The waving thing? From old days they used to wave it. How they used to wave it? They'll take 1 kg stone and they'll keep it to here. Yes, sir? Yes, sir? Then that rice, the rice seller, how do you keep the rice now? How you wave the rice now? He'll put the rice now. Until unless it is balance. That's the simple concept of RHS equal to LHS. If it is more, you will take it. If it is less, you will pour it. That is with the equations also. One side is given already. That one I have to balance it. You will do something. Nakaras will do it. I am not telling you exactly in that way itself should be there. You can do whatever you wanted. He can put it in a jar also. He can put it in a hand also. He can put it like this also. Right? He can put the packet also. Is that not so? So the whole intention is to balance it. That one you have to make it. You play in that order. I want to balance this. That's all it is. That is called as what? R is equal to LHS. Now coming on here, how do you balance this one? How do you balance this one? This 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is there. How do you balance this one? I plus 2. Now you are trying to balance it, right? If I tell I plus 2, what happens now? I plus 2 when I tell it, this one will work it fine. But for this one, it will work it fine. What is I value? 1. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. It's not balancing it down. Now how much more you want to add it? 1 more you are going to add it. Now try to balance it. Try to figure out the equations now. Huh? What I'll do it now? I will just set as 2 into I plus. If I do this equation, whether it is satisfying for all of the things. For example, if I take this one, what is the I value? 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 is what? 10. What is this one? 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. Are you balancing it? Yes, sir. This is how you balance the equation. Try doing like this and you start diving inside. So if the example, if there's something is like this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 means 6, 8, 10 means like this means in this order means 2 into j plus 2. That's all it is. Easy peasy? Okay, easy peasy? Okay, everyone? Yes, sir. Now I'll give one more thing. I'll give something like this. Let me take something like this. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If the numbers are like this, 4, 3, 1, 2, 1, 0. What will you do now? What will you do now? First thing, what do you think now? First thing, what do you think now? I wanted 4 now. What is the n value now here? 5. Yes or no, sir? N value is what? 5. I is what? 0. But I want what? 4. Who is near to 4? 5 is near to 4. Yes or no, sir? You will try to use n. You will use it n minus I. N is what? 5. 5 minus 0 is? 5 minus 0 is? 5 only. I want to make 4. Is that difficult? What do you do now? Simply you put 1 minus 1. That's all it is. Like a takadi only. Takadi concept. Yes or no, sir? Yes, sir. Now, can I get 4 now? Yes. Okay, can I get 4 now? Yes, sir. I got this 4, sir. Can I get 4 this one now? Yes. What is I value now here? 1. n minus 1 is what? 4. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. It will satisfy everything. Yes or no, sir? Yes. And this equation is very much powerful. It's very much powerful. Now, if the values is like this is 4, 3, 2, 1. N minus j minus 1. Now, can you write this for this one like this also? A, B, C, D, E. Can you get this one now? Ulta A, B, C, D? Yes or no, sir? Yes or no, sir? How do you get that now? How do you get it now? Simply one logic. Same equation, sir. Same equation, sir. In place of I will write n minus 1 minus I. Or else n minus common I plus 1. Yes or no, sir? Plus 65 plus 60. This one I want to convert into character, I will set it for CHR. This one I want to convert into character, I will set it for CHR. Move to the reverse. Yes or no, sir? Yes, sir. Hey, tell me, guys. Yes, any difficulties now? Now, if the n is 100, whether it will work it? It will not work it. Why it will not work it? Because 65 plus 1 will work, 65 plus 2 will work, 65 plus 25 also will work. What is 65 plus 25? What is 65 plus 25? 90. Yes or no, sir? 90 means what? Z. Favorite number. Remember that? Yes or no, sir? Yes, sir. If it is 91, it will work it? No. That means 0 to 25 only it should work. For 26, it should make again 0. How do you make 0 now? For that, you need to have ringer roses. What is that? Percentage. Percentage is for modulus. You have seen the video called as even and odd for this. Have you seen the even and odd video? Yes or no, sir? Have you seen it? Have you seen the even and odd video? Yes or no, sir? What do you have seen video and audio? Modulus of 2. Modulus of 2. What is the output you will come? What is the outcome you will come? You will come with only what? 190. You tell modulus of 3 what will come? What is the outcome? 0, 192. That's all it will come. Yes or no, sir? Modulus of 5 means how much it will come? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Modulus of n means 0 to n minus 1. Yes or no, sir? So I wanted something with 0 to 25 only. This is constant, this is constant, this is constant, this is constant. This one is also constant. Only I is what? Variable. Yes or no, sir? Yes. You can write for this one only modulus of 2, or else for entire thing you can write it was what? Modulus of 26. If you tell this one as modulus of 26, entire thing is modulus of 26 means this will be till where? 0 to 25. For 65 we will add only the numbers from where? 0 to 25. Yes or no, sir? If I want a number means, I can write like this. What will I write now? 48 plus n minus 1 minus I. N minus 1 minus I. Number means how many numbers are there? Only 10 numbers are there. You will write what? Modulus of 10 you will tell. This will tell 48 to 57 only. If you want lowercase means 97 you will use it. So this is where it is. This things are changing. That's how it is. Later on you can write one function x comma y comma z. You can send it as an argument. What is x value? What should be y value? What should be my z value? Like this you can pass it as arguments. Or you can pass it 65 n minus 1 minus I comma. What do you can pass it now? Modulus of 25 means 26 you can do it. If you want uppercase. If you want lowercase means 97, comma, n minus 1 minus I. No, you want it in an ABCD form. This will give you reverse order. Yes, sir? Z, that is everything will start. Now, if you want it this one means what do you do it now? You will tell us that I and you will tell us modulus of this. You want number means 48, comma, I you will tell and you will tell what? 10 you will ask. Yes, sir? Yes, sir. Hey, everyone. Yes, sir. Everyone, yes, this is how you think in the generalized format. That is why. Okay? Shall I tell you one more thing? One more thing. Okay, one more thing. Yes, sir. Now, if the numbers you want, like this, 10, 8, 6, 6, 4, and sorry, what is that? Did I miss something? 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Right? If I want like this, give us all of this. What do you do? What do you do now? What do you do? If I want reverse of this, what do you do? How this 10 came from here is how this 10 came? Because of this 4. Yes, sir? If I get 4 here, can I get 10? How do you get 4 here? You know how to get a 4. How do you get a 4? How do you get a 4 now? How do you get 4? N minus I minus 1. You get 4 now here. Into what will you do now? 2 plus same equation. In place of I, what I have listed now? This is the reverse order. Yes, sir. Everyone. Now this one equation, I'm telling you in patterns. Pattern is everything. Yes. Those who didn't test pattern, they will tell, hey, pattern I jujube like this. If you do pattern, that is the starting point. If you do the pattern very well, you can do entire programming. You will be good in arrays, you will be good in strings, you will be getting searching and sorting, you will be good in data structures. All the minute logics are over here. I'll give one small example. Small example I'll give for you. Okay? What is a small example? Something like this. I will take an array. Like this. I'll just tell us 0, I'll have 1, I'll have 2, I'll have 3, I'll have 4, I'll have 5, I'll have what? 6. What is the value now? 7. Right? Now this will become I now. What is I now? I is nothing but what? 0. I want the nth number. How do I get the nth number? How do I get the nth number? I get an nth number by this equation. N minus 1 minus 7. Last number, nth number. I get by what? N minus 1 minus I. What is the value? 7. 7 minus 1 is nothing but 6. 6 minus I means what? 0. 0 is what? 6 only. 6 is pointing to here. Now what is the point of writing this variable is? What is the point of writing this equation is? While you grow this I, this will decrease it. If I grow 1, if I tell I, this equation will become what? It will point to here. If I grow my I here, it will point to here. This is called as 2 pointers. Without using 2 variables, you can write like this. For searching you take it down. For sorting you take it down. For reversing you take it down. To check the palindrome you take it down. All these things, same equation. That's all it is. All the problems are solved in this. But just what? Pattern programming. Concentrate on the pattern programming. Pattern programming is self-designed over what? Arrays only. 2-dimensional. Like a 2-dimensional array you see it. Right? Here and here you see it. Entire problems, all logics are solved over there. Do this with a heart. Do this with your brilliance, with your mind. You a mind thing. So if sir I'm bad in algebra, sir, what you want to do is some simple thing. If you have a neighbors 8 standard, 9 standard, 10 standard, give a tuition for free. For free you give it. Take their mathematics and learn it. Indirectly you are learning mathematics for yourself. If you look at textbook, you will understand it. Definitely you will understand it. If you don't have any neighbors, you take a PDF, you download a PDF, you start studying the mathematics over there. The topics are algebra, matrix, and set, and other number series, number lines. That those things are there, right? You learn that. Trust me, honest, it will help you like anything for the future. Got it? And one more thing is there. One more logic. If the series is something like this, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What do you write now? How do you write now? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. How do you do this? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. First thing, what do you think? I think about I. That's all it is. What is that? 2i plus 1. How 2i plus 1? For example, sir, I'm thinking about I7. I means what, sir? I means what, sir? 0, sir. Here what I have, sir? 1, sir. I'll make what? Plus 1. You're balancing it. Start as how you do this. How do this? That's what I'm telling you. 0 plus 1 is what? Satisfying. Whether it is satisfying for the other equation? No. Other equation? 1 plus 1 is what? 2. How much more needed to balance it? 1 plus 1 is needed. Yes or no, sir? Now next one. What is this now? 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. How much more needed? 2 more needed. He need to put 2 more. Yes or no, sir? Next one. What is that now? 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. How much more needed? 3 more needed. Yes, sir? Next one is what? Next one is what? 4 plus 1. What is that now? 5. How much more needed? 4. This is how what you needed. How much you are getting? What you needed. When you do this one, you will get some equations. Now, if you study this one, how much more needed here now? 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 is the equation. Yes, sir? That means what will write now? 2 times I. 2 times I plus 1. 2 times I means 2 into I plus 1. Yes, sir? Hey, everyone? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Last clean ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ sir. Next lab it.
2i plus 1. Understood? Hey, understood?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2i plus 1. Where right now? For this equation, it is nothing but 2 into I plus 1. Now in the same order, okay, if I write like this, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. How do I do this now? I want like 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. How do I do this now? Reverse I am getting it. Reverse here touchdown, this equation should point in your mind. Yes, sir? What do I do it now? 2 into n minus 1 minus I plus 1. Understood? Yeah, understood?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Easy? Take a shot. If you do so much, your half of the task is done.